Viewer, we would like to talk about honest in business. A truthful person is a honest person. Truthfulness is the quality that is by a person who tells the truth all time, even though if it will put him or her in trouble. Attributes of truthful person: avoid telling lies, relate people in a straightforward manners, stand by the truth always, is not corny, it is reliable. Reward of being truthful: it leads to good reputation and goodwill. Truthfulness brings self-confidence and pride.
Yeah.
A truthful person is healthy, respected, and in the community. A truthful person is always for important and an assignment.
Okay, when we're talking about be truthful in your area of your business, it's not easy. You see, business, to be truthful in business is really hard, but you need to be truthful. People know you because you are truthful. There's one of my husband, my brother-in-law. He deals with building materials. He's truthful. When he will show you this aluminium, he will tell you this one is original, this one is fake. Why is this one called fake? Is because at so time, the color of this aluminium will change. Do you understand? Why is this one called sumo? Is because sumo cannot change. And the money to purchase this is higher than this. You will notice that even buyers, some buyers like these people that fake them. When somebody is telling you, this one that you are sure that you will change color immediately, he will tell you that it will not change color. Buy it, you buy it 1 naira. Truthfulness. There are people, when you pay in your money in that company, from that day, you've paid your money. The price of that day is what they are going to sell to you. Even if the price have changed the following day. That is being truthful. Yes. When you are doing business, think about your integrity, your truthfulness. Will you be truthful when you grow up and you're doing business? Even in your skill of handwork. I think you have your skill of handwork.
Yes.
What do you do?
I do welder.
Yes. He is a proud welder. He is doing it. In that place you're doing it. When people give you work to do, don't fake them. When people know that you use inferior things to do things for them, do you think they will continue coming? They can't continue. They can't continue. When people give you money to do gates or do doors for them, and you eat the money, what do you think will happen? Will they come tomorrow? No. They will not come tomorrow. Why did I use this common thing to explain to you? In the place where you are today, even selling food, some people will give you egg that has spoiled. The one of the yesterday, he will give it to you and tell you that it's today. Open it, the food has spoiled. They sell it to you like that. He doesn't think about truthfulness. He doesn't think about tomorrow. He doesn't think about good relationship that will bring a good, successful home. When you are in good relationship with your customers, your business will excel. Go home and practice this. Come back and tell me how your business is moving. Love Ada Family TV.